In every kitchen, every food processing facility, there's a risk that's often invisible until it's too late. It doesn't make a sound, it has no smell, but its consequences can be severe. We are talking about cross-contamination, the unseen saboteur of food safety. So, what exactly is it? Simply put, cross-contamination is the transfer of harmful microorganisms or allergens from one surface, person, or food item to another. This transfer creates pathways for contamination that can turn safe food into a serious hazard. Let's break down these pathways. First, people. Our hands are the #1 tool in any food environment, but they can also be the #1 vehicle for contamination. Imagine handling raw chicken and then, without washing your hands, you start prepping a fresh salad. You've just transferred bacteria like Salmonella or Campylobacter from the raw meat directly onto ready-to-eat food. This is why rigorous, frequent hand washing isn't just a recommendation, it's a critical control point. Second, equipment. This is a big one. Cutting boards, knives, utensils, countertops, and even cleaning cloths can harbor and spread contaminants. Using the same cutting board for raw poultry and then for dicing vegetables is a classic, high-risk mistake. The bacteria from the chicken don't just disappear, they linger on the board, waiting to contaminate the next food item that touches it. This is why color-coded systems for cutting boards and utensils are so effective. They create a physical barrier against this type of transfer. Finally, let's talk about food-to-food contamination. This happens when contaminated food comes into direct contact with safe food. Think about storing raw meat above ready-to-eat foods in a refrigerator. If the raw meat drips, those juices can contaminate everything below. This also applies to allergens. For someone with a severe peanut allergy, even a microscopic amount of peanut protein transferred from a shared scoop or surface can trigger a life-threatening reaction. A knife used to spread peanut butter, wiped clean, and then used to slice an apple for an allergic customer, is a scenario we must prevent. So, how do we fight this invisible threat? It all comes down to prevention and process. It's about creating an organized workflow that separates raw from cooked, allergens from non-allergens, and dirty from clean. It means having dedicated tools, designated prep areas, and a staff that is trained, vigilant, and understands the why behind every safety rule. Preventing cross-contamination isn't just about compliance. It's about protecting health, ensuring quality, and maintaining the trust of those who consume your products. By understanding the risks and implementing robust controls, we can keep the unseen threat of cross-contamination out of our food and away from our customers. Stay safe and stay vigilant.